Hello everyone, good morning to one and all ma'am. Today our topic is nothing but innovation in design thinking. Before we are going to discuss about innovation in design thinking, first of all we have to learn about what is innovation exactly. Okay, now we have to learn what is innovation. Innovation is nothing, ma'am. What I meant to say in the sense, innovation in the sense we want to creating some new ideas. Okay, are you getting some new ideas, or we can say we want to create some new solutions about that particular product or whatever it may be project, or whatever it may be for your purpose of the business also even. Okay, innovation means exactly what I meant to say in the sense, introduction of something now. Okay, introduction of something new. What I am saying now, introduction of something new. Okay, thus innovation can be defined as what the innovation can be defined as exactly in the sense, introduction of a new product. What I meant to say now, ma'am, introduction of a new product, and we can say service. What, ma'am? Service. Or we can learn one more word that is nothing but process into a market place. What exactly I meant to say innovation in the sense, innovation means introduction of something new. Okay, sorry ma'am. Thus innovation can be defined the introduction of a new product, or and we can say about a service, or we can learn about a process into the marketplace. What exactly, before we are discussing about innovate or be swept away with the tide in the sense, now I have a deeply explained now you, that is nothing but what is first of all, if we have to learn innovation process, what exactly the innovation, what I meant to say in the sense, innovation process is nothing but it describes the path of translating new or existing knowledge. What I meant to say now, it's a new or existing knowledge into marketable solutions. So companies that pursue a successful innovation process, it have something decisive that puts them hands together. They have designed the path. They want to maintain some team in the sense, some group of peoples will be there, members. They have to design the path of an idea, particular project or particular product, from the purpose of generating a new ideas through the development process of and then finally they gave to the test for a market entry. Okay, that is the concept of innovation process, in the sense innovation mechanism. Okay, now we can learn about exactly innovation in design, innovation by design. What I meant to say in the sense, innovation by design is the utilization of a designer's method. Those designers utilized the innovation thoughts by designing of that particular product. It is the utilization of a designer's methods, and we can say a sensibility to address the particular needs of the customer, or we can say a consumer. So along with the design driven approach, so we can strongly believe the business strategies, and what are the technological feasibilities, or we are using, we want to create some both the purpose of market opportunity and as well as the customer value. Okay, listen carefully while I am saying, listen carefully, don't leave the topic. Listen carefully, it's a very important topic, innovation in design thinking. Once again I have to repeat the sentence, listen carefully. Innovate, before we are discussing this innovate in design thinking, innovation by design, it's nothing but it is the utilization of a designer's methods. Okay, and it should be sensibility to address the particular needs of the consumer or customer, whatever their problems, their needs are. Okay, so along with this design driven approach, we believe that it strongly business strategy purposes and technological feasibility are used to create the both market opportunity and as well as the customer value. How we want to implementing the implementing design strategy, in the sense what I meant to say, in the sense exactly if we have to learn about the particular concept of innovation in design thinking. First of all, we have to learn innovation in the sense we have to learn the design thinking is nothing but it is a journey of learning, what ma'am, it is a journey of learning and discovery in the sense we want to watch that and we have to listening that. Okay, we have to watch that and we have to listening what the design thinking is, a journey of learning and as well as discovery. Okay, now let us start at the beginning of this innovation concept. Learn how to a design thinker or that practitioner, how it look for the way what they add quality or value to your offerings. Okay, so now we are say about what exactly innovation, in the sense innovation is nothing but, now I can explain. Listen carefully, listen, look at this diagram, all of you. Look at this diagram. Innovation, mindset plus team plus environment, that is assigned to innovation. Okay, what the mindset, different people has think about the particular product, they have get some new ideas, different people has get some different ideas about that particular product or project, whatever it may be. First of all, we have to learn about the mindset. Exactly, mindset is nothing but the established set of attitudes held by someone. What I meant to say, in the sense a particular person have some set of attitudes, okay, they established. Okay, like it's nothing but a mindset of different people. Already I said you. Coming to the team, a team is nothing but some group of members or something. We can say about a group of players forming one side in a competitive game. Okay, it's like nothing but a group of members forming one side in a product development phase. What nothing, that is nothing but a team. A team is nothing but some group of some members will be allotted there. For example, one team have some 5 members. Okay, and coming to the environment, in a particular geographical area, especially we are affected by human activity, so by the surroundings in which a person, how it will operate, how the person exactly especially they took some affected participant. Okay, it's nothing but environment, our surroundings, how it should be, our circumstances in a particular area, especially it's affected by the human activity, the surroundings in which a particular person, how they operate. These are the 3 combination is nothing but innovation is the process of translating of different mindsets, attitude, set of attitudes held by someone, and we can say some group of members forming one side in a particular product development phase. And coming to the environment, our circumstances, some particular person, how they operate. These are nothing but what I meant to say now. Innovation is nothing but what I am saying, introduction of something, a new ideas, get at your mindset. Okay, this is nothing but the concept of innovation. What exactly now? Okay, now we can study about innovative steps will be first of all we have to learn about implementing a design thinking according to the Stanford design thinking model. First of all, start at the beginning, listen carefully, learn how to be a design thinker or doer, whatever it may be, from a practitioner look for the ways to add some quality or value to your offerings or particular a product. Okay, next the key point, it is a way of being, if you are strategizing, you are designing to build your creative confidence. Listen carefully, to build your creative confidence by conducting a low risk experiments, such as designing a meeting with your team. So ask questions which you don't have answer for. Okay, as nothing but creativity. Okay, in the nothing but innovation. Learn how to coach your team, and we want to give some facilitate for the creativity, and we can say co-creation and collaboration. This is crucial for creating a safe space for conceptual risk taking. So we stay focused on the user's experience, whatever the user needs, whatever the customer needs. We want to stay focused, particular people are focused on the user experiences. So we want to help the team, they enhance their improvement, their performance, and to reframe the existing problems, and we want to generate some new ideas in response to your research product or whatever it may be, a project. So we want to encourage some multiple perspectives. We want to reframe to satisfy the particular conditions to solve our problems into opportunities, and we can say we want to check some assumptions also. This is the implementing design thinking. Now we can come and study about the innovation in design thinking. We get some more points. We get some 3 points exactly what innovation in a design thinking. Listen carefully. What exactly I meant to say in the sense, innovation is nothing but exactly we want to develop a creativity and innovation skills in your workplace. Listen carefully. We want to discover how the interplay of art and design and technology, it can help you solve some particular problems and to inspire some creative solutions desired by your customers. Listen carefully while I am saying the topic. Innovation is very, very important concept. Listen. Innovation in the sense, we want to creativity, some innovation thoughts and leadership skills development. What exactly I want to say in the sense, a whole brain creativity, problem solving. What a design thinking is a process of creative problem solving. Design thinking training, and if you have some workshops and coachings also for the particular subject of design thinking, how we can design some particular projects. If you may apply for design thinking a real life study about that particular project, we need to study about the case study also. Case study is nothing but a project Okay. Now, design thinking allows us to adopt a human-centered perspective in creating innovative solutions, while also integrating logics and research purposes. In order to embrace that design thinking and innovation, we need to make sure that we have to take some right mindset. Okay, first of all, what I meant to say here, right mindset in the sense, different people have something, a set of attitudes held by someone. Okay, and coming to the one more thing I want to say, a collaborative team, collaborative in the sense, combining some team members is there, some group of members forming one side in a product development phase or project, whatever it may be, and we can see some conducive environments. What I meant to say in the sense, conducive environments in the sense, making a certain situations or outcome likely, we want to we want to produce some particular product, okay, at the time of certain situation. Okay, it's nothing but conducive environment. What exactly in the sense, in our circumstances, in our surroundings, in which a person how to operate. Okay, these three are mindset plus team plus environment is nothing but innovation. Okay, now coming to the points of three important points of three important steps we want to follow the innovation in design thinking and innovation design thinking. Listen carefully. From the right mindset for innovation, one of the amazing things about Albert Einstein was the connection between his creative and analytical thinking. We know Albert Einstein is there. Is there no one of the scientist person? One of the amazing thing about Albert Einstein, he was a connection between his creative thinking and analytical thinking. What I mean to say, analytical thinking is nothing but it must able to identify and define some particular problems. We want to extract the key information from data, and we want to develop a workable solutions for that a particular problem. So we need to identify in order to test and verify the cause of the problem, and we want to develop the particular solution. We want to resolve the problem identified. It is nothing but analytical thinking. In the sense, exactly what I meant to say in the sense, Albert Einstein was the connection between his creative thinking and as well as analytical thinking. In the sense, it must be able to understand or identify the particular problem. We have to define the problem statement, and we want to extract the key information from a data, and we want to develop some workable solutions for the particular problem we are identified. That is nothing but analytical thinking. Listen, he was an extremely creative individual and deeply reflective of the human condition. Yes, exactly. He was an extremely creative some new things individually. Okay, so and he think about deeply reflective of the human condition. What exactly how it will be. So our weaknesses and failings, while at the same time past years ahead of most in terms of his analytical thinking capacity. Okay, so what exactly I want to say in the sense, he was an extremely creative individual and deeply reflective of the human conditions. Now we can study about the second thing, that is nothing but we want to create cross-disciplinary and innovative teams. Okay, what exactly we have to learn about creative cross-disciplinary and innovative team? The name says what exactly cross-disciplinary in the sense it's relating to or representing more than one branch of knowledge, ma'am. Okay, so these involve thinking and working across a technical and as well as non-technical considerations to negotiating among different perspectives. What I mean to say exactly in the sense, relating more than one branch of knowledge is nothing but across disciplinary. These involve exactly we are thinking and working across some technical and non-technical considerations. So one coming to the innovative team, the name says exactly innovative team in the sense of creating some new ideas that a particular team have. Okay, an innovative a team alone won't change the company, but it should ignite some new ideas that the entire organization needs. Some new ideas it will own. Okay, but innovation originates with the team itself, but rather through the implementation of well-tested what I meant to say in the sense well-tested ideas throughout the rest of the organization. What I meant to say in the sense, innovative team is nothing but it should be alone. It won't change the company, but it should ignite new ideas that the entire organization it will own, ma'am. But innovation originates with the team itself, but rather through the implementation of well-tested ideas throughout the rest of the particular organization. Okay, so it is the norm in many organizations. We want to encourage the development of skills and abilities are relevant to a specific role. So for instance of that, creativity is encouraged in graphic designers. Creativity is in the sense getting new ideas we want to put at paper, and we want to show it at graphical designers also even. Okay, a graphic designer is a professional thinking within the graphic design, and we want to say some graphic arts industry, who particularly assembles together images, and I think typography or motion graphics, in the sense of movement from one place to another place, how the graphic we want to create a piece of design like a particular product or project. They are also sometimes illustrate user interfaces and web designer. Okay, what I meant to say exactly in the sense, creativity is encouraged in graphic designers. Yes, exactly. We want to design some art industry and images and typography or motion graphics, etc., while analytical skills are encouraged for marketing purposes, business purposes, and operations related jobs. While we are learning about analytical skills, is nothing but it is the ability to deconstruct the information into a smaller categories in order to draw some conclusions, as consist of particular categories that include a logical reasoning, critical thinking, communication, and as well as research purposes, data analysis, and one more thing, creativity. What exactly I want to say in the sense, analytical skills is nothing but it is the ability of deconstruct information into a smaller categories in order to draw conclusions. Okay, so as it consists of some categories that include a logical reasoning and critical thinking, communication purpose, and as well as research purpose and data analysis, and creativity. Creativity is nothing but we want to create something exactly, new ideas getting in your mindset, okay, for the whole team or the environment itself. While analytical skills are encouraged for marketing purposes, business purposes, and operations related to that a particular job. And coming to the third one, that is nothing but create environments conducive to innovation. What I want to create some particular environment in a particular geographical area, especially it was affected by human activity. Making a certain situation, we want to tend to we want to produce a particular outcome, a particular project outcome or a product outcome. So likely possible to innovation ideas about that mindset. Okay, this is the concept of create environment conducive to innovation. What exactly now we can learn about this? Okay, the environments we inhabit and the activities we most occupy engage in influence our thinking patterns, our understanding of things, and our ability, or due to the lack of thereof to innovate. What I meant to say in the sense exactly, the innovation in design thinking, the environment itself it should be it should be inhabited, and the particular activities we are most occupy, what are the influence they are thinking some new paradigms or patterns, our understanding of particular things, and our ability, we want to innovate some new ideas to by challenging assumptions. We want to take that away from creative new solutions, particularly especially the project or a product. This is the concept of innovation in design thinking. What exactly the innovation in design thinking? It is an iterative non-linear cycle. Design thinking is an iterative non-linear cycle which involves developing a deep understanding of whatever the customer needs or user needs. Okay, within the context of a particular situation. Okay, listen carefully. Within the context of the particular situation, we are making a sense of data, and we are discovering it might insight to be. Okay, whatever the questioning assumption it will be, we want to do like that. Okay, we want to exploring some different perspectives. We want to reframing the problems into opportunities, and we want to generating ideas about your mind. We want to create some new ideas. It should be it should be critiquing, and we are choosing some ideas, testing through a prototyping and experimentation. So we want to refining some particular solutions, and finally we are implementing your innovation. Okay, first of all, what exactly innovation, our design thinking concept in the sense, first of all, if you have some problem, if you want to emphasize the particular problem, how it will be. Okay, emphasize in the sense exactly what I meant to say in the sense, listen carefully. Emphasize in the sense, we want to understand and we want to observing what that particular people needs exactly. Okay, that is nothing but emphasize. And coming to the emphasize, and later we want to learn about exactly we want to learn about thinking, what you are thinking, prototyping. First of all, we have to emphasize the 5 stages of design thinking, how it will works and how it will process in the sense. First of all, if you want to emphasize whatever the user needs. Okay, listen, what that empathy in the sense exactly, we want to learning about the audience for whom you are designing. First of all, we need to understand and we want to observe what the particular problem, what the user needs. And coming to the second one, define in the sense that thing, but we want to define the problem statement, whatever we need, the exact user needs and their problems and your insights. What I meant to say in the sense, we want to redefining and focusing your question based on your insights from the empathy stage. Okay, coming to the ideate, by challenging assumptions, we get some new ideas about that particular product, or we want to create some new solutions. Exactly, in the ideate in the sense, your keep in your mind, we want to brainstorming, unable to think but you have to think, must and should, brainstorming and coming up with a creative solution is nothing but ideate. And coming to the prototyping in the sense, we want to release a particular project or product, we want to start creating a particular solution. In the sense, we want to building a representation of one or more of your ideas to show to others exactly what it. And then finally, if we have to test, we want to returning to your test in the sense, we want to test the particular product, returning to your original user group, and we want to testing your ideas for the feedback. And finally, if you have to get implemented that particular product, and finally if we have to deliver the product to your vendors or customers or consumers. This is the concept of exactly innovation in design thinking. First of all, if you write down what is design thinking, what are the phases of design thinking, how it will works, what is innovation in design thinking, what is the innovation process also in coming to the topic of design thinking. Okay, up to now, thank you later we see this is the concept of case study. Case studies is nothing but project in project we have to apply for design thinking a real life case study about design thinking. Okay, is nothing this is the complete unit of second unit. Okay, in further video we discuss third unit Okay, up to now, thank you very much. If you have any doubts, can you please ask to me. Okay, be free, don't shy. Okay, thank you one and all.